Hello, language
enthusiasts.
Welcome to Talkio, your AI tool for learning and improving oral language skills. Whether you're a teacher dedicated to enhancing your students' language abilities or someone exploring our features, this video is for you. Today, we'll walk you through user management in the Talkio Learning Hub and show you how to add a student to your platform. Let's dive right in.
As a teacher, your dashboard is your central hub, organized into 4 main categories: students, teachers, access requests, and pending invitations. There are 2 ways to invite students. Invite with link. Follow a series of steps to generate a link for students. This method has some limitations depending on the access level set by the teacher. Bulk import. Upload a sheet containing students' names and email addresses. Talkio will scan the sheet and import the data in bulk, super convenient for larger groups. Once invited, you can manage student access directly from the dashboard.
3 icons make managing students quick and easy. Search, browse students by name or school email address. Show hide, toggle the visibility of the student board. Add new students to the school account, not tied to a specific class. Teachers can also add colleagues to help manage student progress. Remember, these added teachers need authorization to access your school or organization account.
Next, let's talk about access requests. This section tracks students who were invited via a link. Teachers can review requests, authenticate them, and grant full access upon approval. In the pending invitations section, teachers can follow up with students who haven't accepted their invites.
Let's move on to a step-by-step guide for adding a new student to Talkio. Go to the student board and click Add New. Enter the student's school email address, for example, support@talkio.ai. Optionally, set an expiration date for the account. Click Save to send the invitation.
A confirmation message will appear, and the email will move to the pending invite list. On the student's end, they'll receive an email with an invitation link and login credentials. Once they log in using the provided details, the invitation is automatically accepted, and their profile becomes active. Now, the student's profile will appear in the student board, ready to begin their learning journey. If the new user is a teacher, their profile will appear in the teacher board.
And that's it. You've successfully navigated user management and learned how to add a student to Talkio. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more tutorials, and let's help your students thrive with Talkio. Happy teaching!